Hey guys, this is Sugarcoder. Happy spring! Can you believe that spring is already here? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful rainbow Madeleine cookies. I wanted to see how rainbow Madeleines would turn out. These rainbow Madeleines are fairly simple to make, and the base is from a vanilla Madeleine cookie recipe. First, I combined the wet ingredients in the mixing bowl and then added the dry ingredients. Afterwards, I split the batter into several portions and added food coloring to each portion. Then I piped the Madeleine batter into a Madeleine pan. And last but not least, I baked them and let them cool completely before enjoying them. The list of ingredients and the instructions are in the video description, so check it out if you want to make these beautiful rainbow Madeleine cookies. So tell me, do you like rainbows? And if so, what kind of rainbow desserts would you like to see me make? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.